Everybody uses the search bar. This is how you dominate the search results. Search is a major traffic source for me. One of the things that helps me do this is vidIQ. Now, I'm going to talk about them a little bit more later in the video, but there's a free plugin down below. I highly suggest you go and check it out. They help me with my quality titles, and search for me is key. You'll have a look at some of my titles, and some of them are emotive, but a lot of them leading to my search traffic are bang on the keyword, key search term, and the searchable term that you happen to be looking for. In fact, my best performing videos are blatant search result titles. How to download a video, how to watch restricted video, how to make a playlist. These are things that you would type into a search bar and get a result, click on the video, see your answer, and enjoy that lesson. The power of a decent title hooks them in. You just need to realize one of two ways. Are you hooking them out of curiosity? One, you won't believe how many views I got by just changing this one thing. Oh, what was that one thing, Alan? Click. Or in my case, and most of my content up till now, I'm answering a direct question. How to turn off end screens. How to monetize YouTube video. The emotive curiosity won't necessarily rank in search, but the direct answer to a question, so for example, how to buy Bitcoin, how to invest in an 401k, those kind of things have a direct question and therefore a direct answer and possibly a search result that you can steal. Your description is something that many people overlook, but they shouldn't, because it's kind of a secret weapon. The description of this video down below includes my timestamps and a good chunk of text that I can pack full of keywords that are relevant and write a good description, write some kind of mini blog post. This is also a good place where I go to the vidIQ tool and I rustle through all of the keywords that are suggested and I kind of weave them into the description, so therefore when people are searching for how to do a certain thing, I've got different variations of the same question. Let's say, for example, private videos on YouTube. I could have questions like how to share a private video, how to make a private video, are private videos safe, that kind of thing, and you can weave those questions into that description. And then when people search for those things, as long as it answers it in the video, bingo! Even more search traffic for specific term. Also, you'll be amazed how many people read descriptions going forward. You can hide specific links or links to blog posts going forward. Down below, you will see channel chapters. Timestamps. These are the little notches that you see on the video. Basically, I can tell you at the start of each chapter where I jump to, and you can answer that specific question. What these do are also possibility search results in Google based on specific chapters. So, if in my video, for example, where I talk about how to start a YouTube channel properly, which I'll put a link up in the iCard in the description down below, I can highlight each little chapter. How to set up your branding, how to find a search results, how to check out your niche, how to get collaborations, how to get brand deals, and each of those are little timestamps that I can put in the description and you can hop to specific points when I don't really need to know the branding. I've done that one, thank you Alan, but I am interested in sponsorships. Click, and it jumps to that specific point in the video. These add relevant keywords, these add relevant search terms in the description and are key markers that even Google can collect and have search traffic jumping in on specific points. Mine does that quite well when it comes to specific search tutorials on my channel. An eye-catching thumbnail is truly the wrapping around a product, right? Would you walk into Apple and pick up something that's on a shelf that looks ugly, that's just a brown paper box that does nothing, that has no description on it? No, of course not, right? And how many times have you looked at something that's really well designed and the advertising is fantastic and the packaging is beautiful? One of the reasons you buy an iPhone is the whole, you pull the box out and it makes a satisfying thump noise, and then you pull the plastic off and then the iPhone itself is beautiful. Your thumbnail is the wrapping around that video, and that's what will help you get not only people clicking through in and hooking them, but then suggesting that content further going forward. Their initial click makes them watch, then YouTube looks at all of their previous videos that they've clicked and then starts serving like a buffet of related content to them. And it helps your search algorithm because, thumbnail, click. And the more clicks you get through, the higher the percentage of that click-through rate, the better for you. I get it, there's lots to do and there's lots that you could get wrong. But if you could find someone to hold your hand and step you through this, have some kind of giant toolbox, then maybe that will help you. And that toolbox is vidIQ. Completely free to install, just one click here. Go through to their website, it installs into your browser, they've even got a mobile app, and if you need help on starting your channel properly, there's a video here.